Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Chic Beauty Box. Actually we had a little goodie on the outside too, so let's get into it. Talk all about it. I put off making some of these videos as long as I could because I was hoping to heal, but I think these bruises are going to take forever. I've talked about it enough, so we're going to move on, but everything I'm doing is a little late this month because I was trying not to come on camera looking like this. But we're moving forward because I have such great boxes. Chic Beauty Box is a makeup box. I'm 100% on board. You guys know we talk about it. There are some people that prefer makeup, some people that prefer skincare. I love seeing the makeup in the boxes. Chic Beauty is 5 to 6 products that you will receive bi-monthly, and it is fully customizable. That is fantastic. It is sent to me for review, but because we review it, I have code Catherine that will get you 10% off your first box. I will put a link down below that will take you over to Chic Beauty. Let's get in here. Chic Beauty is $34.99 bi-monthly, but of course, if you extend it out over time, the prices will come down. When we open it up, we have our cute little card. This is the September, October box. Like I said, I have had it some time. I was trying to get this better, hoping that maybe we could do some makeup with it, but it won't get better. Okay, the back gives us a little bit of information on each of the items we have in here. Let's jump right in. I have a Cover FX Shimmering Veil, and I have it in Amethyst. Ooh, that sounds fun. I love makeup. With skincare, I commit and I stay with it for forever, but with makeup, you can jump around, use a little bit of everything. How gorgeous is that purple? We're gonna put it right on the back of my hand. That is gorgeous. Look at can you guys see oh, look at the shine. It is purple and it is shiny. I wonder if you can use it on your eyes. Let's read about it. A pearlescent cream perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want a veil of shimmer. This unparalleled buildable formula feels weightless and lasts all day and won't crease or transfer. Oh my gosh, that would be such a gorgeous eyeshadow color. That is so pretty. And that has a $28 value. So just the first product out almost paid for the cost of your box. Next out we have brushes. Oh, I love brushes. You guys know I love brushes. Looks like 3 eyeshadow brushes. We'll take these out. This is the Alamar Spanglish brush. I'm having trouble with English. Spanglish brush trio. I enjoy the Alamar brushes very much. I have had them in the past. That is what these look like. They say that they have a $18 value. I think that is very fair. They say this one is a pigment packer brush. This one is a crease control brush. You can see it comes down a little on the sides. That's kind of interesting the way that does that. I imagine this is just a small blender. Nope. It is a detailed diffuser brush. So that is fun. You could use one of these to kind of blend that out when you put this. I'm taking these right out of their paperwork. I love Alamar brushes and I will go right into using that paperwork packaging. Next out, we have a Maybelline Hyper Easy Eyeliner in medium brown. Well, we're going to take it out and try it. I don't often do, we used to call them drugstore, like Maybelline, CoverGirl, that kind of thing, L'Oreal. I don't often shop for those on my own anymore, but I went out with my granddaughter the other day and we spent some time in the aisles, and I'm here to tell you, they have really stepped up their game. A lot of the formulations and products that we paid with were super nice. This has a very nice little tip on it. Very thin and nice and creamy. That is nice. It's not a straight line because I played with it as I went, but that is a very nice, very fine line. Definitely felt creamy enough that I will give it a try. Okay, next out I have this is MAC? This looks like MAC. It is MAC. Extra Dimension eyeshadow. It is beautiful. You know what? It's in smoky mauve because it's gonna go perfectly with that purple. How fantastic is that gonna look? Also, just for the record, this has a $20 value. It says in my box that you would have a Cover FX Power Play Foundation. I don't have that. Sometimes NPR, if they run out of something, giving it to the people who actually paid for it, we don't receive it. But if you had purchased this, you would have also gotten a Cover FX Power Play Foundation. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous that is. That is beautiful. You know what? We're gonna use one of our new brushes. Oh, it says MAC. Can you see that in the imprint? That is beautiful. I hope I can get this to come across. It's right here. Oh yeah, you can see it. It's just a really light purpley color. I will love that. That's the kind of thing that I like because the sparkle and the shine I always talk about. Right in here. Horrible time to be showing my eyes, isn't it, guys? Right in here on each side, just to normally My eyes are very small in space. I don't have a lot of real estate, and the shine gives them a little extra pop. This will be perfect when my eyes are not already naturally purple. And last out, and the thing that wouldn't fit in that box is the Suva toppers. I don't even know what that means. It says holographic topper palette, and it has a $35 value. So this product alone does pay for the cost of the box. When we take it out, that is what it looks like. Super shiny. Oh! I don't know what I expected. I don't know what I expected. Kind of, I think I expected more colors like this that were shiny that you would put on top of things. This is what it is. It's like all white. We have daiquiri, lemon drop, cotton candy, and mojito. I like where they're thinking. Okay, let me show them to you again. Can you see the different thickness of their insides? The insides. Perfect way to describe it. The thickness of the formula. Let me show you on my 4 different fingers. Okay, the first one, actually let's do it like this. The first one is daiquiri. Oh, she's beautiful. It doesn't have a lot of glitter and it comes off kind of pink. Love that. Next we have lemon drop. Oh, she almost feels creamy. Oh, look at that silvery. Oh my gosh. It's kind of got that gold in there, which is I imagine why they call it lemon drop. And it feels like cream in here. It is lovely. Cotton candy. Will it be blue? No, it's pinky purple. Again, these are so much creamier than I thought they were going to be. When you look at them, they look so chunky. I thought this was going to be chunky. Mojito. Green, perhaps? Yes. Kind of. Can you see the iridescence in it? Those are gorgeous. Talking about putting something that will pop the inside of my eye. That is gorgeous. Here, let's put it... Oh my gosh, when you put it on, the first one is difficult to see. Well, this is all difficult to see because I am so white. I will do this and just hope that it comes across. The first one is very difficult to see. Then this was the lemon drop with the gold in it. And then this one was the cotton candy with the pinky purple. And then over here, the mojito with a little bit of green. I will do this. It is difficult with these lights in my eye for me to tell if it was showing. So I'm gonna hope for the best. Fingers crossed. That is fun. So where do they think I'm using this? I'm gonna look it up and I'm gonna tell you right here, when you go onto the website, if it talks about your cheeks or your eyes, where they think you're gonna use it. But those are fun and shiny. And I am like 1 week from Halloween and I'm thinking about doing something that will be fun and shiny. If I do it and it's cute, I'll take a pic to put up on my Insta probably. But that is fun. So that was our Beauty Chic, hashtag Chic Babe. We got the Suva toppers, the MAC purpley eyeshadow, gorgeous. The Cover FX shimmer veil, also gorgeous. The Maybelline brown eyeliner, who doesn't need a nice brown eyeliner. 3 Alamar eyeshadow brushes. So much fun, right? I will put the link and the code down below if you, like me, love a makeup box. Just the idea of, hey, this is going to be makeup, not wondering whether it's going to be makeup and skincare. It's going to be makeup. It is $34.99 by monthly, but like I said, you can bring that down by taking it out over time. Plus, with my code Catherine, you will get 10% off your first box. Thank you so much for coming by and checking this out with me. I really love a makeup box. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.